Welcome to the Swan Story YouTube channel. I'm Mark Swan.
I'm Barb, and this is Polly.
So what we want to do is try to diagnose whether our old sail switch is intermittently working, which is what might be causing our flame to go out and reignite. And so I removed the sail switch from the housing of the fan and just brought it out far enough that I can activate it with my finger, and you can hear it again, the switch activating when I press it. So now we're going to go turn on the furnace. I'm going to leave the switch out, and we're going to hear the furnace run for a while and then shut off because it cannot safely light the flame. There, the fan was turned on. The sail switch is not active, so the circuit is not complete. And the fan will shut off because it's not safe to light the flame. So now we're going to turn on the furnace again, and I'm going to manually cause the sail switch to activate, closing the circuit and allowing the furnace to light the flame. And the fan's on. I'm going to push on the sail switch the same way the fan would. I'm going to hold it. We're going to hear the flame ignite. There, the flame ignited. I'm going to continue holding the switch to see if the flame goes out. So what we had before was intermittent flame igniting and going back out again. So it's possible that our sail switch was connecting and disconnecting. So far it's staying on the entire time. So we're going to put the new sail switch in, see if it acts any better. I disconnected the switch itself, and you can hear the flame turn off. Thanks for visiting our channel, and thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button right down there, and you'll get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Thanks for watching.